Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm very excited. We have September's Allure box, and I have no idea what's in here. I like to be surprised. That's what I used to love about BoxyCharm, is that you can make a choice, but you would still get surprises. And with Ipsy being with BoxyCharm, I'm not loving it like I used to. And I'm going to hang on with them for a while. But it's just not, it's not great. Allure has been pretty great. So let me see if I can't open this doggone box. And there's always a pretty lady. Hello, pretty lady. Did I get a good picture of me with the box? I did. That's my thumbnail. And there's a booklet. Here's something about GQ. And giving Allure as a subscription as a present. Very nice. America's #1 meal kit. Hello Fresh. If I Want Vogue. Oh, I'm kind of disappointed already. I don't know everything that's in here, but I'm kind of disappointed with one thing that I see already. Help me, I think I'm falling. Oh, I got to choose this. This is a Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara from Rare Beauty. And let me get my calculator out so I can see the value of the box, because it's about $26 for this box a month. It's $20 for the mascara. Awesome. It says, while you'll love it, hello Vava Vroom Lashes, very appropriately named. Mascara leaves lashes fluttery, soft, and clump free. The long wearing pitch black formula spiked with lash conditioning castor oil. Doesn't dry too quickly, and you can go in with a second layer up the drama. And the thick brush coats every single lash. Why it's Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty's one celebrity beauty brand that our editors actually can't get enough of. I really love Rare Beauty. I use her primer every time I do my makeup recently, and it gives a nice little glow without having to use a bunch of highlighters, and I really like that. Let's see. It's just a mascara tube. It's just nice, like her packaging. Very simple, elegant. I'm not going to open it because it starts the clock on that mascara. And we don't want to do that yet. Not yet, we don't. I've got like 7 mascaras open right now. It's ridiculous. From Eve Lom, Rescue Mask. A mask, alright. Okay. While you love it, this face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It takes kale and clay and helps reduce the oil in your T-zone that can lead to breakouts and leaving your face feeling totally parched in the process. And its herbal scent makes the experience feel spa-like as it gets within the confines of your bathroom. And this is $58. $58 for this tube. That better be a great mask. $58 worth of mask, and that's a full size. Next up, we have a little baby sample. It's like, you can see, it's just a little tube. And this is Kiehl's since 1851 Midnight Recovery Concentrate Moisturizing Face Oil. While you'll catch some Z's, Kiehl's Face Oil, blend of lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary oils. Make sure your skin gets a good night's sleep. And the quick to absorb formula sinks right into your skin, not your pillow. And it's usually $88 for 1.7 ounces. And this is 4 milliliters, so I'm going to call that $5. $5. From Kristen Estrand, Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Oh, it's a hair mask. So I'd be like, bitch, 2 masks in a box? That's not cool. And this looks like one serving size of it. While you love it, hair damage may be inevitable from heat styling, coloring your hair. I wouldn't know anything about heat styling or coloring my hair. and everyday habits such as brushing your hair, but with Kristen's S Nourishing in-shower treatment, infused with hydrating coconut oil and shea butter, you can extend the next time till your next trim. And it's $15 for 6.7 fluid ounces, and we have 0.9 fluid ounces. Let's call that $3. And we've got 2 things left. This box is not as good as the last couple boxes. And this is what I'm disappointed with. I'm tired of my masky. I'm over this brand. Serum infused moisturizer. Yay. I fucking hate this company. I get their stuff in every box. It's so overdone. The lightweight moisturizer does more than just hydrate with sweet almond oil and sunflower seed oil. Fruit extracts gently exfoliate and soothes the signs of irritation. Cleanse your face, have it dry, put on a thin layer. It's $55 for 40 milliliters. This is made in France. I don't know how big this is. It's fragrance free. Oh, it is 40 milliliters. So this is $55 worth, and you never get that value. So that makes the box $141 so far. But I don't want their stuff. They can send it back to France. I think it was from Australia for some reason. And then the last, a sheet mask. I don't get excited about sheet masks. This is a Rail Collagen Sheet Mask. While you love it, the radiant results you'll get from this easy as mask rival is luxurious facial, licorice root extract, smooth skin, while amino acids plump. $15.99 for 5, so that's $16. 5 goes in 16, so it's like about $3. So the box total is $144, which is great, 144 bucks. But I don't love the box. I mean, I'm happy about the mascara. I don't really care about the face mask. I don't care about that. I don't care about so much in this box, and they've been doing so good. So that's how I feel about the box. And just remember that my review is my opinion, and if you didn't agree, then that's fine. I'm over it. Allure, do better. All right. I love you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you real soon.